Hello fashion lovers and lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Y'all already know who it is. It's Kennedy Jazz. I am so excited to see you guys. So my channel is all about fashion, luxury, and lifestyle. And I am taking y'all on an adventure of my life. So anyways guys, I'm going to show you 6 pairs of my favorite luxury shoes. I own about, I want to say I own like 30 pairs of like just luxury shoes, and then the rest of them are just kind of like, oh, you know, like just shoes, you know, regular shoes. So for my 23rd birthday, if you have not watched that yet, you have to watch that. That was like one of the, I think, the best vlogs, honestly, on YouTube. I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but toot, because that was a good video. So I was supposed to show you guys these shoes on my 23rd birthday vlog, but I left them at home. So here they are. These are the Spiker Queen 100 PVC Christian Louboutin, however you want to pronounce it. These shoes cost me $11.95, $1,195. Not cheap. And I do not, honestly, guys, I don't recommend spending that much money on shoes at all. But I've been looking at these for over a year, guys, and I was finally able to get them because last year for my 22nd birthday, I got 2 other pairs, and I was thinking about these for a year. So these are the shoes. Then we have a pair that I brought during quarantine. Y'all, I went crazy. I probably brought like 10 pair of shoes. I don't know why. I was bored, but I did it. But these right here, honey, were a must get. Look at those shoes, guys. These right here are the Strass PVC 100 PVC patent. So what that means is the plastic is PVC, the embellishment, which is the strass, is the crystals, and then the patent is the leather. So these are 100 millimeters, 4 inches, of course. I love my 4-inch heels. These were actually a sale. These were $11.95, but I got them on a sale. So with these right here, y'all, I couldn't find these shoes anywhere. A SA that worked at the Galleria Mall in Texas, she had these in a size 8. And guys, nobody else, no other SA. I checked SAs in Florida, New York, Texas, California. None of the SAs had these shoes. And I was finally able to get these shoes. And it was a dream come true. So I got these for $687. That's a sale to me, guys. So let me tell you like a quick little story about these shoes. Before I got to buy them, I was trying to buy these shoes from this one reseller because I couldn't find these shoes anywhere. They were all out of the stores. They were all out of stock. So I was on Poshmark trying to find these shoes. And this woman, she was selling hers for, I think, like $700 and something. And she only wore them for 2 hours for her wedding. And I wanted the shoes so bad, and I was going to get them. But like I don't know, she just didn't want to sell them to me, it seemed. So I saw that she sold them to another woman. The woman wanted to wear them for her wedding as well. So I guess, you know, being a woman and feeling that, you know, type of feeling, I guess that's what she did it. But I don't care anyways, because guess what? My shoes are better. My shoes are brand new, and I got them for the exact same price. So joke's on you. These are another pair of quarantine shoes, guys. So I brought these from my SA. These right here are the Foley Strass 100 glitter and guys, 100 millimeter Strass crystals. This is the mesh. They're very comfortable, guys, very comfortable. And look at that glitter detail. Amazing. These shoes are, I haven't found my receipt. These shoes are, I think, $11.95, $12.95. I can't really remember the exact price, but these were also a sale. And I was manifesting these shoes, guys. I promise you. I was speaking into existence that I was gonna have these shoes, and guess what? I got these shoes. These shoes cost me $800 something, I think. 800. And I don't regret it whatsoever. Guys, all these shoes, as you can see, are brand new. Obviously, you know, everything has been kind of like shut down, so I haven't even got the chance to wear these shoes, but I'm gonna pull them out for a very special occasion, so I can't wait. And then you guys have already seen these shoes probably about 30,000 times, especially if you follow me on Instagram. These right here. These were another quarantine shoe, and I love these shoes. The detail is spectacular. I have not once wore them out. I only wore them to take pictures. But guys, look at this. Look at this detail. Like the black, the Gucci colors, the red and the green, and then you have the cream leather, and then the gold writing inside, and then the detailed blue flowers with the cream background, and then the black. I mean, just amazing color coordination. These are classy. These are comfortable. I got these for $467 during quarantine. These shoes were $800. I couldn't find them anywhere. I got lucky. I'm starting to think, guys, when I want something, I always get it. These were a pair that I got for my 23rd birthday. If you watch my vlog, these are the Red Pump Bling 100mm Jimmy Choo. Amazing, guys. Spectacular shoes. Spectacular shoes. I didn't really, on my vlog, I didn't really get to show you guys the shoes, basically. You know, it was like a very fast, you know, birthday unboxing vlog, but I'm going to actually get to show you up close. I paid $624 for these shoes. Love the bling detail. You can see the leather wraps around the back of the crystals, so it won't dig in your foot. So you don't want that. And then this is patent leather, and then the bottom is all leather. I love Jimmy Choo. He's one of my favorite designers. Super beautiful, super chic, super classy, classic. I love the fact that even though this is a 4-inch heel, guys, it doesn't feel like a 4-inch heel at all. Because look at these Louboutin compared to the heel. They're the same exact heel size, but the only difference is the arch isn't as high. So since the arch isn't as high, it's more comfortable. I was so lucky to get these shoes at like half off, guys. I mean, these shoes are still in stores. They rarely go on sale. I have never seen these shoes on sale, and they have been in stores for a very long time. These right here. Y'all seen these over and over again. I've showed you pictures of them. I've talked about them in videos, but this is the first time with me actually doing like a true unboxing and actually getting to speak about these shoes. These are the Saint Laurent YSL opening boots. Yes, they look amazing. Yes, they are super fashion forward, but they are so uncomfortable. And that's the only downfall. This is all leather, all genuine leather. Even the bottom is leather. The YSL is metal, so it's super sturdy. It's not going anywhere, guys. These are a size 39. Guys, I'm a 37.5, faithfully, like I told you. I always get 38s, but they run extremely narrow and small. If you ever were to get these shoes, I definitely recommend you going up about 2.5 sizes, 2 to 2.5 sizes, if you want them to be comfortable, especially if you're going to be wearing socks with them. These are by far, my favorite pair of shoes. Guys, I literally dwelled on getting these shoes. And then when I finally saw them go on sale, I was like, you know, I don't care, I'm going to get them. I got them for half the price. Everybody else is selling these shoes for $1,400. You can't get them for $847 I bought these for. That's not happening. So if you do get lucky, guys, like I got lucky, please snap them up. You can't go wrong. I got these shoes last year, guys, when Barney's was shutting down. This was actually one of my first pair of designer shoes. I had the designer bags, but I didn't have the shoes just yet. These are the Mica 105 buckle Western sandals, Saint Laurent. Guys, at first I regretted it, and then as I looked at them, I am in love with brown. I have never showed you guys these shoes. Guys, you put these shoes on, instantly your leg elongates. I just love the look for me personally. So yes, guys, that is my favorite pair of designer shoes. I showed you YSL, Gucci, and Christian Louboutin. I don't regret these purchases by far. I love every single one of them. Thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate all of y'all. Don't be afraid to like, comment, share, and please subscribe. Please send to your friends or anybody you think who would like these videos, because I definitely want to grow my channel out. Don't forget, you are fashionable, you are lovely, and you belong in luxury. Bye, y'all.